Hello dear students, how are you? Well? Okay, so let's start today's maths period. Today we are going to learn maths subject lesson number 2 number work. Student, do you remember in last period what we have did? Yes, very good. 3-digit number revisions. Okay, so today we are going to learn 4-digit numbers. So first we learn how to read and write the numbers 4-digit. So let me explain the first. See here, have a look. You are able to see? Okay, see. Symbols. These are symbols. 4-digit number symbols. TH. It is a symbol of 1000. H. 100. T. Tens. And U. Unit. What are these? These all are symbols. Okay, have a look. Symbols, numbers and read as. Have a look of first column. TH means 1000. How many? Only one is there na. So 1000 numbers. And how we read? Read as 1000. Getting? Now come to the next. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So give me answer. How many thousand? Yes, 4000 it is. And how we read? 4000. TH, 1000, 1, 2. And it is a symbol of T. T means what? Tens. And these two dot unit. So in numbers, 1002, 0, 100, no one. So 0. And tens, 1 and unit 2. Means 2012. We read as 2012. After that, how many? TH, TH. 200. How many hundred are there? 2. Tens, 0 and unit 3. So 2203. And how we read as 2203. Getting or not? Come to the next. TH. 1000 means 1. Here 100, 0. Very good. Tens, 1 only. So 1. And unit also? No, 0. So 1010. 1010 means 1010. After that TH. Only 1 it is there. 1000. And here only what? Unit. 1 is there. So 1001. It means 00 means what? In 100 is also not there and tens also. So we write as 001. 1001. Now come to the last one. See, observe the picture. TH, TH. After that 100. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Tens 1 and unit 4. So we can write as 2314. It is a number. And how we read? 2314. So got all of you? These all are what? Symbols of 4-digit numbers. So numbers how to write and read we have learned. Now come to the next. Have a look. See examples and these are symbol. Observe the following symbols and understand the number form. So here there are two symbols of 100. How many? Sorry, two symbols of 1000. See here. How many symbols of 1000? 1, 2. One symbol of 100 and two symbols of tens. See here. Getting? And three symbols of unit. 1, 2, 3. So the number form is 2123. What is 2123? And it is read as 2123. Got all of you? How we read is 2123. Getting? Now see, come to the next. Look at the symbol, write the numbers and read it. See here. Look at the symbols. Write the number and read it. So see here. First one. See here. How many in thousand place? It is 1,000. See here in thousand place. How many dot are there? 2. 100 place only 1. 10 place 1. And unit place how many dots? 2. It means the number form 2 1 1 2. Got? The number form is 2 1 1. And it is read as 2112. 2112. Getting? See here, this one, first one. 2 1 1 2. It means 2112. Now come to the second. See here. In thousand place 2. How many dots? 2. After that 100 0. After that tens, how many are? Count it proper. 3. And the unit place 4. It means 2034. It is a number. And how we read is? It is read as 2034. Got all of you? So likewise you have to complete this all. See, first and two example I show you in a same manner. You have to complete 3, 4, 5 as well as 6 in your notebook. Got all of you? Now come to the next. Number in words and figures. Number in words and figures. How to read and write the numbers in words in figure. So have a look. See example. I am going to show you example. Now let's start. First one, 3235. 3235. So in this number, write 3 in the thousand place. See, 3 in the thousand place, 2 in the hundred place, because there are 2 hundreds, and 3 in the tens place, 300, and 5 in the unit place. Got? 3235. Now come to the next one. Second one. Read the number, students. What it is? 4028. Yes, very good. 4028. So write 4 in the thousand place. See here. 4 in the thousand place. Now we must write a digit in the hundred, tens and unit place 2. The given number has no hundred. The given number has no hundred. So we write a 0 in the hundred place. 28 has 2 tens and 8 unit. What? 2 tens and 8 units. So we write 2 in the tens place. Tens place and 8 in the unit place. Got? 4028. 4028. Understood? Now come to the next example. Third one. How much? 3005. Sorry, 2005. 2005. In this number, write 2 in the thousand place. The thousand place. There are no hundred and no tens. So we write 0 in the hundred place and 0 in the tens place. 0 in the hundred place and 0 in the tens place as well. And we write 5 in the unit place. 5 in the unit place. So 2005. It means 2005. So you have understood how we write and read the numbers in words and figures. But remember one thing, while writing a 4-digit number in figures, we first write the digit in the thousand place. We must write the digit in the thousand place. Then we write the proper digit from 0 to 9 in the hundreds. 0 to 9 in the hundred. Tens and unit place in that order. Got all of you? Now come to the related exercise. See here, exercise. Write the given numbers in figures. What it is? Write the given numbers in figures. See first one, 4005. How much? 4005. So 4005. In this number we write 4 in the thousand place. See here, 4 in the thousand place. And after that there are no hundred and no tens. So we write 0 in the hundred place and 0 in the unit place. And what is remaining now? 5. So we write the 5 in the unit place. 4005. Getting all of you how to write the numbers? 4005. Now come to the next one, 5017. 5017. So we write 5 in the thousand place. 1017. 0 in the hundred place. And last one, 17. 17 means 17. So 1 in the tens place and 7 in the unit place. So got how to write the numbers in words, and this thousand, hundred, tens and unit. So this three remaining you have to write in this box proper. Now last one exercise. See here. Read the numbers. How to read and write the numbers. See first one, read the numbers. What it is? 1001. 1001 means what? 1001. See here. 1001. We write 1001. One thousand and one. After that, 1010. 1010. So we write 1010. 1010. And see last one, 2200. 2200 means 2000 and what? 200. Yes, good. 2000 and 200. Got all of you how to read the numbers? Yes. 1001. It means 1001. 1010, 1010. And 2200, 2200. Got all of you? So in the same way, you have to write only 1, 2 and 3 up to 3 table in your notebook. Got all of you? Shall I stop over here? So whatever homework I have given you, you have to write in your notebook in a proper way. So very soon we will meet in next spread, and remaining we have look in the another spread. Till then, thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.